In this video, I'm going to show you how to place an order on FX Replay. So there's actually three ways of doing this. The first one is down here at the bottom left. So you want to come to a point where you actually want to create a purchase. So for example, let's say over here on my chart, I can go ahead and click on the buy or sell button. And of course, you want to type in the quantity. I'm going to do 0.1, click on buy, and that was a quick buy. Or I could click on sell, and that was a quick sell. I could do the same on a chart. So if I go on for a bit over here, for example, like this, there we go. I could go right click and do buy like this, or right click and sell like this. So that's also another way. And then the more convenient way with more options is by clicking place order top right. And then here you can select the side, buy or sell. And here you can also select your market types or your order types, your position size you want to use here. You could also do the entry price. If you want a limit order, you could do a stop loss, a take profit. You could enable these and then set them. And then here you could also add a partial if you wanna, and then click on save or save and journal. And that's how you place an order. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.